Hey, what is up guys? Blacksurf here, and this is... what's your name?
That's my name.
1014. Fluffy 1014 on Blacksurf number 1. Today we'll be trying to do trick shots. We're gonna suck. Don't make fun of us. This is our first try. Let's get on with it. The ball. The target, that yellow strip that says caution. We even have a basket word pour. Yes, sir.
The wall ball.
First shot of the day. The roof shot. Yeah. Whoa! Just put
That's how you do it.
shot. Okay. Whoever. Okay. This is gonna be the roof. Carlos and I are gonna have a challenge. Whoever can. Leave it there. We'll get it right now. Come here, let us finish our shit. Oh. Sophie, hey, come here. Okay. Come here. Okay, find it. Let me see. Carlos and I, that kid, there's Fluffy, 1014, 1015, 16, 28, 1. We're going to have a challenge with this ball. Whoever can make it from the roof shot, 3 shots, wins. Okay? Let's do this. I start with my 3 shots. Number 1. No worries, bro. Okay. 2 shot number 2. Oh, bro. Okay. One more. Yeah. Carlos. Hey. Carlos goes for the shot. He's going to get ready. Just go for the damn shot. Come on. Okay. No, I'll wait here. I'm gonna be seeing you from the camera. Get forward so we can see you. I wanna see if I can see you clear. Okay. Shoot. You can shoot now. You're saying. No, I'm saying. Like those golfers. Go, just shoot. Okay, I won't say nothing. Go. Okay, fine. Okay, he's gonna go for shot number 1. Oh shit. Okay. Yeah. He didn't make it. We're losing. Nobody's winning. So far, so bad. What did we say? Oh, he was so close. Okay, so nobody has made a shot yet. But, oh shit, the sun. Sorry, my bad. Looks beautiful today. Okay. So this is going to be next. I'm going to shoot it from backwards. Can you see it? I don't think I'll make it, but if you can. The first try. Your turn, Carlos. You want to say something? No. So I guess this ends this episode of Oscar Plays and since my name is Black. My name.
Yeah, that's my this is my channel.
No one cares. Okay. Hey, don't touch me. Okay, so yeah, nobody made a shot. We suck at basketball. That's pretty much it. The story. So. Oh shit, not that. Okay, so we'll post another video later on. Please subscribe to this.
Okay.
Comment
Please
with us.
comment.
Please comment. I want to see. Also, put some shots and tag us to see if you can do better shots than us. Comment on that comment thing below. Because I'm pointing to the side. Because I'm recording sideways. So yeah. Just comment below, tell us what you want to see us do next episode, probably next week. And right now we're going to do different shots later on, or some other stuff. So see you later. This is Blacksurf.
No, I'm not fast.
I mean, Fluffy, what?
1014.
You say your name. This is
Play.
Souffle 1014. Blaster 101. And as always, stay smooth. Yes, that's my new catchphrase.
No, yes.
No. Okay, yeah. As always, stay smooth, as you always say in Spanish. Suave. Stay suave. Yes, I speak that. See you later until the next episode.
Me too.
Yeah, stay suave.
Suave.
See you next time on this episode of
Okay.
Black Surf and
Damn
Fluffy Play.
button.
See you later.
Crack screen.
Suave.